A wolf attacked my dog in the backyard and I thought he was trying to kill it. I was outside when my German Shepherd started yelping, and I turned to see a gray wolf on top of him, both rolling in the snow, biting and clawing viciously. I grabbed a bat and ran toward them as fast as I could. The second I got close, both animals stopped fighting and stood next to each other, staring at the woods. My dog wasn't hurt and the wolf wasn't aggressive. They just stood there side by side. I followed their eyes to the tree line, and that's when I saw it. A massive grizzly bear was walking out, heading straight toward us. The wolf wasn't attacking my dog, they were making noise to warn me, and now they stood together facing the bear. It saw us and turned back into the forest. The wolf looked at my dog, then at me, and disappeared into the trees. That wolf saved us. If you believe animals understand more than we think, subscribe, because